Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the parent company of Bread Financial. Bread Financial is a financial services company that offers a variety of products and services, including credit cards, loans, and savings accounts. The company is headquartered in Columbus, Ohio, and has over 7,000 employees. So, who is the parent company of Bread Financial? The answer is Bread Financial. Bread Financial is a publicly traded company that is listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol BFH. The company was founded in 2008 as a joint venture between GE Capital and American Express. In 2019, GE Capital sold its stake in the company to American Express. Bread Financial's products and services. Bread Financial offers a variety of products and services to consumers and businesses. These products and services include credit cards. Bread Financial offers a variety of credit cards, including cashback cards, travel rewards cards, and business cards. Loans. Bread Financial offers a variety of loans, including personal loans, auto loans, and home equity loans. Savings accounts. Bread Financial offers a variety of savings accounts, including high-yield savings accounts and money market accounts. Other financial services. Bread Financial also offers a variety of other financial services, such as insurance, investment products, and financial planning. Bread Financial's customers. Bread Financial serves a variety of customers, including individuals, businesses, and financial institutions. The company has over 10 million customers. Bread Financial's competitors. Bread Financial competes with a number of other financial services companies, including American Express, Capital One, Citibank, and Discover. Bread Financial's financial performance. Bread Financial is a profitable company. In 2020, the company reported net income of $1.20 billion. The company's revenue has grown at an average annual rate of 10% over the past 5 years. Bread Financial's future. Bread Financial is a growing company with a bright future. The company is committed to innovation and providing its customers with high-quality products and services. Bread Financial is a publicly traded company that is listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol BFH. The company is a leading provider of financial services, offering a variety of products and services to consumers and businesses. Bread Financial is a profitable company with a bright future. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new about the parent company of Bread Financial. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos about personal finance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.